What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go pick up a mini bike for 90 bucks. It seems like a fair price given that the engine is blown and that can get expensive pretty quickly, but yeah, we're gonna go head over to my friend's shop and pick it up. So let's go. Yo, what's up? Good enough.
They're totally different than those.
So we got this back home safe and sound. It looks pretty good. Obviously, just needs a little clean and an engine, but this should be a pretty fun build because I've never really done anything like this. Hello, Lala. For now, I'm just going to wash it and take off this electrical tape and all these unnecessary wires and probably the tires too, actually, to wash it better. You know what? I might just entirely take this thing apart. But enough talking, let's just do it. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do to the thing is just take this chain off, because I try to roll it and it just gets all bunched up like this, so let's take that off. Now, we can go ahead and just pull this, maybe not just right out. And there we go. We have the chain off now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off all these unnecessary electronics and basically just get it down to the frame. So yeah, let's go. Alright everybody, I'm gonna call it a day there. It is getting dark out, so I'm gonna call it a night, and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Alright boys, it is the next day. I haven't even had anything to eat yet, but let's get this outside, because I want to completely strip this down and finally get it washed today. So yeah, let's open the garage door and get it outside. Alright, to get this fully stripped down, I'm going to take off these handlebars and these brakes, and the throttle tube actually. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we got a wheel off. This wasn't really part of the plan, but I mean, it is helping me strip this entire thing down, so let's keep going. Got everything off and everything there, so there's only one thing left to do now. Let's wash it. And just like that, we have a brand new, nice and shiny frame. Now that we have a shiny frame, we just have to do all of that. So basically everything's done drying now. So I think now should be a good time to go ahead and start reassembling everything and hopefully get online and buy an engine soon. I'm gonna try and find a washer that'll fit in here, because when you set it down, you know, it has all that wiggle room. So if I put a washer in there, it'll only have like that much room and it won't wiggle so much. So I'm gonna find a washer real quick. Alright, just found these washers. I'm hoping that it'll work in there, but if it doesn't, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright, I had just enough room for 2 washers, and it works absolutely perfectly, just how I imagined it. Like, there's almost no wiggle now, and it won't wiggle anymore, so I'm really happy about that. This thing looks so much better now. I'm actually gonna leave this number plate off until I get a new one, because honestly, I think it doesn't look that bad without it. And you know, this is just a piece of crap basically, so let's get this on. Alright boys, this is what it looks like when it's fully done and dry. I really hope you enjoyed. In the next video, I will get a engine and some grips, and maybe some other grip upgrades, who knows. But I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to see this mini bike come together, make sure to like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye bye.